Okay guys, we're down here at the Waikiki beach. They're doing a sand restoration project, restoring the sand here. Way out there is a dredge machine that is sucking the sand up and bringing it to the beach. They're doing what they call dewatering right here, taking the water out of the sand. The lifeguard's up there right now. It is the 27th of April, 2021. You can see the backhoe behind this tree doing its thing. They're building out the road right now that's going to go down in front of the hotels. That blue sky, the blue water, the nice fresh new sand, so you can lay on the beach out in front of these dynamic hotels out here in Hawaii. Here's the famous Kohio Beach. Here's another driver. There's that high tide coming in from that full moon. This is Kohio Beach, Waikiki. It's all spread out with this gray sand. And there's nobody on the beach. It's pretty quiet right now with tourism here. But the trucks and the tractors are pushing a lot of sand around. Yeah, there's those jets in the distance over there. Military jets doing their rounds, canoe surfing outside.